right, let's continue. And this is the time for installing the AND switch. Also the limit switch as well. I already did 2 of those, so you can just save your time. You can see the switch is installed here. The reason using the AND switch is when this moves. We don't have timing belt yet. Once you have it, like when it, actually you can listen to the sound. There's a click sound here when it hit. So it knows where is the end of the axis. And you need all 3 of those. One here, another one here, and I will show you how you install the last one. So here is the end switch. If you're watching this video, you already prepared it. So I'm gonna just kind of loosen this bolt T nut a little bit. Then I'm gonna just turn it. This. Then slide it here. And I'm gonna install it right here. Technically you can have it here as well, because once the roller hits, you can do it. But sometimes if it doesn't have really good click sound here. So actually I'm gonna put it this way is better, but depends on the situation. It's just I want to let you know, depends on your build, it can be installed somewhere else. So I'm going to put it at the very top and install it. Make sure the T-nut is locked inside. Depending on the stepper motor you got, sometimes you can disconnect the cable, sometimes it's not. It doesn't really matter. I just take it out so I have less cables. Okay. For the cables, you can actually put it like this way. Like later you can use some zip tie to like organize cables better, or just, you know, if you want to try it, there's a little hole here I made. This one you can actually run the cable. This one actually I made it exact size, but it's a little too tight. So you can try to put it in, but be careful, you don't want to break the switch, the connector. So in my case, I'm gonna just push it. It works, but if you want, you can actually run through the cable. I thought it's a little, you know, I thought it's enough, but it's a little too tight. Maybe I need to update the STL file. So when you download it, it may not have issue. If not, like you can just run it through here, but also you can just put it here as well. It doesn't really matter. Once you have it, do one more as well. Yeah, just barely has a little resistance. Switches are all ready and messy. The next step is installing the LCD and circuits and everything. Last night, actually, I realized this one is the cover, so I should cover it. But because of connectors, I cannot fully close it. So actually, I made another one. So actually made it slightly shorter. Slightly shorter. So when you cover it, I think this will work. This will be the correct sizing. The reason why I designed this way is actually when I open this one, you can open it like this, and open it like this. So you have access to the circuit, but just provide some protection from the dust and other things. Actually, my another build, I don't have the side. I only have top and bottom, but it has been running great. But it's always good to protect the circuit from dust and other dirt. And the LCD screen, we already prepared it. So you can just kind of put it in and start installing it. One thing I forgot to mention is, I'll show you later. Actually, we need to, that's my mistake. We need to unscrew this to connect it because it will just we cannot slide in from the side, but that's okay. What I need next is the printer is as tall as the light here, so I need to adjust the light, and I'm gonna just continue.